Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with PhoneArena.com and this is the review of the Soen Transit portable speaker. The Soen Transit speaker has a unique design, solid build quality and has 3.5mm aux in apart from Bluetooth. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the design and the build quality. It is rectangle in shape. The front speaker grille is made of aluminum and uses CNC machined aircraft grade brushed aluminum finish for the accents in the center with Soen branding which extends to the back. It has smooth TPU rubber finish on the top and the back which makes it extremely grippy. On the top there is a volume rocker and an option button in the center which helps in Bluetooth pairing. On the right side there is micro USB port for charging, a 3.5mm aux in port, a power button with LED indicator and a base reflex port below that. The LED indicator glows in different colors depending on the operation. There is a microphone for hands-free calling, but it is not visible. The build quality is pretty good, but the device weighs 500 grams, heavier than most other portable speakers. Thanks to Soen's proprietary digital amp and custom neodymium transducers, the audio quality is pretty good and the Soen Momentum port offers thumping bass. Audio output is good without any distortion even if the volume is full. The speaker picks up your voice clearly when you use it as a speakerphone, and Soen uses precise talk technology to suppress the ambient noise. Coming to the connectivity, the speaker has Bluetooth and 3.5mm aux in support as mentioned earlier, which is present in most of the devices. One added benefit we found is that the iPhone displays the speaker's battery life, a nice touch. We just wish it had NFC support though for quick pairing with devices that supported it. On the battery life department, we got more than 7 hours of battery life, which is pretty good for a portable speaker. Overall, the Transit portable speaker is definitely one of the best speakers in the market. At a price tag of Rs 12,990, it is definitely costly compared to the other portable speakers, but is definitely worth paying for the premium build and good audio. Listed here are the pros and cons of this device. Anyway, that's it for our review. Do check out our full in-depth text review that is in the link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the like button if you did and do hit the subscribe button if you want more videos like these. Thanks for watching.